Hello. It is so windy today. My hat blew off on the way here. Well, bore da, prynhawn da. Good morning or good afternoon. How are you? Sut ydych chi heddiw? How are you today? It is so windy today. Can we say that in Welsh? It's windy. Mae'n wyntog. Mae'n wyntog heddiw. But it's very windy today. Mae'n wyntog iawn. Mae'n wyntog iawn. I don't know if you saw yesterday when I was talking about the days of the week and the planets. I said it was Friday yesterday. Silly Andy, it's Friday today. Yesterday was Thursday yesterday, dydd Iau. But today is dydd Gwener, Friday. Silliness. Well, today I'd like to sing another number song with a fish. Do you know the one I'm talking about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. You know that one, right? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Bam. How are you today? What are you up to today? It's so windy. If you go for a walk, be careful that you don't blow away. I've had to fasten my cap on so strong that it doesn't blow away in the wind. My goodness me. Well, it's Saturday tomorrow, and I'm sure I will see you then for another song, and hopefully it won't be so windy. I feel like I'm gonna blow away. I'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro. Bye for now.